Okay, question number 5, Bayesian estimator. Let's see what we have. What we have here. The probability of given Q experiencing 1 in the first 2 years is right, and the probability of 1 we just integrate out Q. And the probability, when we divide this by this, when we get conditional probability, that the probability of Q given 1 this is quite useful, because when we time this with what we already know, is we have and we can integrate out Q. This conditional probability is exactly what we want, because we want is a conditional expected value of number of claims in the 3rd year. It obvious because it's asking for giving the experience of year 1 and 2, which means the conditional probability. Okay, so the rest you can do it. Sorry, you can see. I'll repeat again. So this is a conditional probability, and when we time what we know about the probability of x given q, we have the joint conditional probability, and when we integrate out q, we have probability of x given experience, and what we want is expected value of x given our experience. Okay, this is what we want, and the rest is just calculation you can do by yourself. But what I want to point out is some shortcuts. For example, here this is just a probability, therefore the integral of the CDF times the scalar has to equal to 1. All right, so here we can discard this constant, and this is just number. Then we can also discard this, and we only look at this algebra. Okay, and we take integral of this. So this probability is composed of q phi 1 minus q and times some scalar. Okay, scalar. And when we integrate this part, like here, I'll just copy paste the solution. This should be 1/168, and so the scalar times 1/168 has to equal to 1. Therefore, the scalar has to be 168. Right? So this probability is 168 q5 1 minus q squared. Right? And the second is, you see here, we integrate out q in the probability. Same thing can be achieved when we want to calculate the expected value of x q given 1 given 1 is expected value of x given q times probability of q given 1, which is here. And this guy, we know x given q is binomial, so this is just 2q. And the next step is integrate out q from this is okay. I'll write it down. So this is integrate out right, and the result is 40.